Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Ford Fusion. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps. HID headlights are nice and bright and they'll keep you very safe at night. A look down the passenger side. You have Goodyear Assurance tires. Inside, cloth interior. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have rear backup sensors on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.